Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 140th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use scaleX 2D method. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, image, box shadow, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel line, transition, all 15, margin left 200 pixel, margin top 100 pixel, image hour, transform, scaleX 0.5. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, and we'll start body tag, image source equals to picture.jpg, height equals to 100 pixel, width equals to 100 pixel. Now we'll end body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 140 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 140th program, and if we'll click on here it will shrink the image. So this is the basic output of how to use scaleX method, and don't forget to check the tags and description for the clear and basic understanding, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for the amazing HTML videos.